Dual applications are those applications that we can duplicate in such a way that they behave like two applications, totally independent of each other. For example, if we have a cell phone with two SIM cards and we want to use WhatsApp with both our work number and our personal phone, we can clone or duplicate WhatsApp, making it a dual application. This works especially with Android applications that do not have a multi-account system, such as WhatsApp. Each of the copies of the application can be configured separately, without the settings of one interfering with those of the other. Android does not include the option to create dual applications natively. However, some manufacturers have already thought about this, and that is why they have decided to add this functionality in the personalization layer of their equipment. You can get the same effect on any Android phone by installing the Parallel Space application. When you install the application, you will automatically see a list of the applications you have installed on your mobile. Select those you want to clone, then click on Add in Parallel Space. There you will see how a copy of all the applications you have on the application's desktop is created. After this, you just have to enter the duplicate application to configure it to your liking, without it interfering at all in the configuration of the original application.